Hey Lawn Care Nation, so in this video we're going to take a look at the new Milwaukee Reciprocator attachment for the Quick Lok system. So let's take a look at it. So this is the new Milwaukee Reciprocator attachment that you can see there for the Quick Lok system. This is available as the attachment only, so you need to have the Quick Lok system already. And let's take a look at the unit itself. So this is part number 49-16-2794. Again, it's the attachment only. So if we flip the box over and took a look at it, you can see power for controlled brush cutting. It's a reciprocating action, so it might look like that is spinning, but it's not. It's actually reciprocating, exactly the same as a normal hedge trimmer type attachment where the blades are going back and forth. So it's dual 9-inch blades, provides precision cutting and edging for increased accuracy. It has a 1/2-inch cut capacity, so you can do stalks or branches up to a 1/2 inch when you're doing brush cutting type activities, and it provides less minimized throw, so you're not getting a whole bunch of mess of stuff getting into garden beds and things like that, and also provides a good close proximity maintenance, so it doesn't mar surfaces. So if you're having to trim against, say, a wood deck or something like that, unlike a string trimmer that when it's spinning can completely destroy that wood facing if you're getting too close, because this is just going back and forth, you can get right up to that surface without damaging the wood surface and still be able to trim in areas where you need that sort of close proximity. And then, of course, it works with any of the Milwaukee Powerhead Quick Lok system. So the unit weighs 5.2 pounds, 38 inches in length, has 0 to 4,900 cuts per minute, cut capacity of 1/2 inch, and 9-inch diameter blades. So in the box, it comes, of course, with the attachment itself. It comes with an easy slip-on cover, kind of like a hedge trimmer type cover that you can put on to protect those cutting teeth when you're not using it. It comes with a strap that you can use, the hardware, to be able to attach to your Quick Lok, the same as I have here from a previous attachment, to be able to use the strap. Comes with a tool, and it comes with a guard here that you can install underneath the handle there. It's a thigh guard, basically limits your range of swing so that you're not accidentally clipping a toe. So I've been using it for a few weeks now, testing it in a variety of different scenarios, using it as a string trimmer, and it does work really well in those close proximity situations where you don't want to damage a surface that you're trimming up against, like wood decks or fences, or some of these new vinyl or plastic style fences that you see popping up, where you can trim right up to it without causing any damage to those areas. So it's great in those types of scenarios. I've tried using it as an edger, and it works fine for that. It works as an edger. Best scenario that I found where this unit excels is in that brush cutting scenario, especially on a couple of properties that I have where there's a lot of like blackberry brambles that line the sides of the lawns. So like I say, I've been using the attachment now for the last few weeks in a variety of different situations. And of course, I had my camera with me and filmed myself in all of those different situations, from using it string trimming style tasks against fences and things like that, some edging, and of course for brush cutting as well. So let's check out all of those video clips. Could be great for areas like this. You got like a wood fascia, and traditionally when you're string trimming that's going to get destroyed by the string spinning around. For this, you can get right up to it without touching the wood fascia. edge it. Okay, so brush cutting is definitely where this Milwaukee Reciprocator attachment definitely shines. It just cuts through all of the debris like butter, makes it super easy, just fantastic, just so simple to be able to clear all these like blackberry brambles up and down without any issues, without it getting all tangled up in the trimmer head of a traditional string trimmer. So definitely the correct use for a reciprocator attachment, just like they advertise it being good for brush cutting, and yeah, just far more efficient in that use than you would for a string trimmer to try to clear, which I've done traditionally. I'll have a string trimmer and I'll try to knock down the blackberry bushes, but you have to sit there for a while trying to get through the woody, really thick stalks, and just waste a lot of time, where this just slices through like butter. So absolutely fantastic. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever used a reciprocator style attachment for things like brush cutting, or if you have tried using it as a string trimmer replacement, if you've done edging with it. The edging worked fine on it. I would say the only thing is that it's obviously going to prematurely wear out that attachment if you continue to do it. Like I said, I tried it. I wouldn't continue to use it. I just use a blade edger when I need it, just because a blade edger, you can easily replace the blade versus you know, wearing out the reciprocator edge. Here you can see on the back side the paint's still on it, where on the top side, where when it's flipped upside down for edging, you can see it's all wearing out there. So I wouldn't want to do that more than just testing it for you guys to see how it works. But other than that, definitely brush cutting is where it's fantastic.